Dear President in the media, in this session hall, over the last couple of days, I don't know how to welcome and greet everybody because I cannot say good morning or can say good afternoon or good evening. And I cannot, and that's true, because every day, for some people, this day is not good. For some people, this day is the last one. I speak today now about my citizens of Ukraine who are defending, by paying the ultimate price, they defending freedom. I'm very happy that what I've seen here now and heard here now, I'm very glad to sense this mood, the unifying mood. I'm happy that we have unified today, all of you, all the countries of the European Union. But I did not know, but this is the price they will have to pay. And it's a tragedy for me, a tragedy for every Ukrainian, tragedy for our state. I mean, this high price, very high price. Thousands of people who were killed. 2 revolutions, 1 war, and 5 days of full-scale invasion of the Russian Federation. I don't read off the paper, off the sheet, because the paper phase in the life of my country has ended. Now we're dealing with reality. We're dealing with killed people, real life, And, I believe that today, we're giving lives for values, for rights, for freedom, for the desire to be equal as much as you are. We are giving away our best people, the strongest ones, the most value-based ones. Ukrainians are incredible. And very often we love to say that we will win over everyone. And I'm very happy that you are not only talking about it, but you can see that. And we will overcome everyone. And I'm sure, I'm convinced, there is an expression, Ukrainian choice, European choice of Ukraine. That's what we're striving for, and that's what we're going to, and we went to. So I would like to hear that from you to us, we could hear the Ukrainian choice for Europe from you. I have some time off here because we have breaks between the missile strikes and bombardments. And this morning was a very tragic one for us.
Біля кордонів з Російською Федерацією. Там завжди було дуже багато росіян, завжди вони дружили, були дуже теплі відносини. Там більше 20 вузів. Там це є місто, де найбільша кількість університетів в нашій країні. Молодь яскрава, розумна, яка завжди збирається і збиралась на всі свята.
Celebrating all celebrations on the largest square in our country, the Freedom Square. And this is the largest square in Europe, and that's true. This is called the Freedom Square. Can you imagine this morning, 2 cruise missiles hit this Freedom Square, dozens of killed ones. This is the price of freedom. We are fighting just for our land and for our freedom.
Незважаючи на те, що зараз заблоковані
Despite the
усі
fact
великі міста нашої
that
держави,
all large cities of our country are now
ніхто в
blocked,
нашу свободу
nobody
і в державу не зайде.
is going to enter and intervene with our freedom and country. And believe you me, every square up today, no matter what it's called, is going to be called, as today, Freedom Square in every city of our country.
Ніхто не зламає нас.
Nobody is going to break us. We're strong. We're Ukrainians.
Є, знаєте, бажання,
We
щоб
have
наші
a
діти
desire to see our children
жили. Мені здається, що це
alive.
чесно.
I think it's a fair one.
16 дітей.
Yesterday, 16 children were killed.
Знов президент Путін
Again
скаже, що
and
це
again, President Putin is going to say that is some kind of operation and we are hitting a military infrastructure. Where are our children? What kind of military factories do they work at? What tanks are they going with? Or launching cruise missiles? He killed 16 people just yesterday.
Шановні,
Dear,
у нас дуже мотивований народ.
our people are very much motivated, very much so. We are fighting
За наші права,
for our rights,
свободу,
for our freedoms,
за життя.
for life, for our life.
Ми
And
боремося
now
за виживання.
we're fighting for
Це
survival.
найголовніша наша мотивація.
And this is the highest of our motivation.
Боремося
But we are
щоб бути
fighting
рівноправними
also
членами
to be
Європи.
equal members of Europe.
І я вважаю, що
I believe that today
ми
we
всім показуємо, що ми такі є.
are showing everybody that's exactly what we are.
Союз
The European Union
міцніший.
is going to be much stronger with us, so that's for sure.
Без вас
Without you, Ukraine
буде самотньо.
is going to be lonely,
Ми
lonesome.
довели свою силу.
We have proven our strength. We have proven that, as at a minimum,
Такі самі, як
we are exactly the same as you are. So do prove that you are with us.
що ви нас
Do
не
prove that
відпускаєте.
you will not let us go.
Доведіть, що ви
Do prove that you indeed are Europeans. And then
переможе світ,
life will
а світ
win over death and light will win over darkness. Glory be to Ukraine.